All right, guys, 2019 Ram 1500 V6 Classic. Really beautiful truck. Factory converter up there all the way. Wow. Secondary converter there. Then it's got a weird contraption for pipe, guys. Look at that. They should have just strudeled it and got it over with, but no. Why? They rather do this whole Y pipe assembly spaghetti looking thing, as you guys can see. I think the engineers were craving spaghetti when they did this one. Anyways, 3-inch pipe after. There's a Dynamax race bullet. It's a 3-inch in, 3-inch out bullet, 16.5 inches long, 24.225 maybe or something. Anyways, we'll try to find you the link in the description. Then we added 3-inch pipe, continued his 3-inch tailpipe. Then we added another 3-inch pipe to take the resonator out, and a fat 4-inch roll tip out the corner right there. There'll be a link in the description for all of it by 18. There's the resonator we cut off. There's that little bit tailpipe. And there's the huge muffler that we cut off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that sounds good. Nice for a V6. Those bullets sound so good on these. Ram 1500 V6. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 114. That's perfect. Sounds okay. Go ahead and back it up. He wanted out the corner. We gave him what he wanted. Came out nice. Look at that. It's a clean truck. That's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Get on it! Oh, that's perfect. I like it. It's not raspy at all.
So 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman. So what we got done on it, factory converters up there, right there, and right there. And it comes down and some of the weirdest I've ever seen into this weird funky Y pipe. Back down the rest of the system. So I assume the muffler was huge. I haven't seen it yet. But we cut it out, put a Super 44 in its place right there. Part number 943048. And then we did a resonator delete right there. And he brought his own tip that we put on back out to the back right there. Looks clean. It's nice. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2022 Ram 1500 Classic V6 4x4. We put a Flowmaster Super 44, resonator delete, and tip. That sounds good. You approve? Yeah. All the way from Chattanooga, guys. We really appreciate him coming down. Look at that pop. Again? There's sound decibels for you guys. Again? That sounds good. I like it. I like that pop. Go ahead and back it out. It's got 2 resonators and a muffler that we took off. A sexy angle cut black 6-inch tip or 5-inch. 5-inch, 6-inch, I don't know. I think it's 5-inch. Oh, it sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. the Flowmaster Super 4 rear delete, resonator delete, 5-inch black tip. Oh, that sounds so good. I like it. There he goes. Enjoy, guys. That's 21 Ram 1500 3.6 liter V6. You guys can see. So it's got cats up there. Then they try to equalize the length by doing all this piping. It's pretty cool by Dodge to do that, or Ram, or Stellantis, for them to do all this piping to try to equalize it. Then it was into a single. Changed the muffler for NTR Pro Race Series. Part number NTR 300, right there. Then we had to add a sleeve. And then we deleted the resonator. There was a huge resonator on the back. I'm going to show it to you guys in a second. Deleted it and gave him a Natami double tip right there. Angle cut, slash cut. Came out double wall, black tip. Really clean, really nice. That's what he wanted. We gave him what he wanted. There's the resonator that was on it. And there's a huge muffler that was on it that we cut off also. So here we go, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here's idle. Give it gas. Yeah, it's got that crackle pop. Yeah, that sounds clean. Natami NTR 101. That sounds really good. Again. I'm gonna shout you out, bro. It's his birthday, so guys, wish him happy birthday. Go ahead. That was his pops giving him a birthday gift. He bought him exhaust. That's a cool pops right there. Always appreciate your mom and dad, guys, no matter what. Anyways, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Here we go. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're next. His dad's we did his dad's truck earlier, but we need to take the resonators off. He's like, I'm coming back for the resonators. Yeah, slow, clean. I love when you back them up like that. That's a good sounding truck. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 3.6 liter. With NTR race muffler, resonator delete, and dual tip. There's his pops. That one just has the NTR race muffler. And this is with the resonator deleted also. Sounds really good for a V6. Yeah, I like it. It sounds like a V8. Enjoy, guys. What do you guys think of that tone? It's clean. Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video on Los Addicts. 2022 Ram 1500 V6. So we straight piped it earlier and it was way too loud. His kids complained, so he had to bring it back. So we added something to it. Let me show you what we added. So it's got the factory converter there, and then for them to equalize the length, They ran all this piping on it, on the Ram V6s. Look at that. Just crazy loops and turns and everything. It's to get it all the same size, to equalize them, equalize each bank. Anyways, then it wires into a single 3.5 3-inch pipe. And then we installed a Borla Pro XS. They always help with drone and just loudness right there. Part number 40357. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. It's actually the 5/8. It's the 2.5. This is the wrong box. The 5/8, which is the 2.5. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. They probably make a 3-inch too if you guys want a 3-inch. But this is what we had on hand, so we put a 2.5. Anyways, then the tailpipe there, we took the resonator off and finished it off with a massive 6-inch tip to deepen the tone a little bit more. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, that's different. Yeah. It's still got a tone, but it's deeper. That sounds clean. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Here's sound decibels. It's right at 100. That's perfect. It was like 110 before, 112. That made a huge difference. Yeah, that's clean. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it's clean. No rasp whatsoever. That's beautiful. It's perfect for a V6. Sounds like a V8. I like it. Big horn edition. Let you guys hear it on the inside. V6 with the eTorque 1500 Borla Pro XS resonator delete 6-inch tip. I like that 6-inch tip. Sounds so good. I love it. No rasp whatsoever. That's crazy, guys. Enjoy. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 with the eTorque 3.6 liter Panstar motor. 3.6 liter full-size truck. All right, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got the factory converter up there, got factory converter up there. Then it does this huge loop for it to become equal size, which is a crazy, crazy setup. Look at that. They did a lot of bending to get that done, as you guys can see. Then it wires into a single there, then 3-inch pipe, and we put on it the Borla Attack, as you guys can see, offset center, part number 400820. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 3-inch pipe out the back. And then we also took the resonator off of it, right there, and installed a double angle cut tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also. As you guys can see, it came out really nice. Again, part number is 400820. There'll be a link in the description for it. That's how we wanted it out the back. Came out clean. There's the resonator and tailpipe that was on it, and that's the muffler that was on it. We took them both off so we can give this truck some sound. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe. I don't know yet. Wow, 116. 112. What are you gonna like? so we can fix it. He's like, I need V8. But it works, right? It's not raspy. What do you guys think in the comments? Let me know. I like it. That's idle. So quiet at idle too. You hear that? So when you're stuck in traffic or something, it's not that crazy loud. But when you step on it, it becomes loud. Hey boss, can I get you to park here straight inside? That's not a bad sounding truck. For being a V6 too, that's not bad at all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let you hear on the inside. That's not bad. For being a V6, that's crazy. Sounds good. What do you guys think? Let me know.